We're at the camper today making dinner on the Charmline camping grill. In this video, I'm gonna show you what comes in the box. My husband and I are gonna demo it for you, and then we're gonna give you our honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. In the box, you are going to have the grill, you're going to have a carry bag, and the instructions. The grill has fold-out feet. This is amazing, so it lifts it up off of the ground. It also has fold-out shelves on either side, so you can hold your utensils. There's an instruction manual, but this is fairly self-explanatory. The rack on this goes up and down really easily, and it has a nice deep tray in the bottom for your charcoal. The carry bag is a thick canvas, and I love the fact that it comes with a bag.
Matching charcoal with the matching lighter fluid. I didn't know.
We are just making a couple of burgers tonight, so we're not going to use a whole bunch of charcoal, but we are going to put the charcoal into 2 of the slots and leave one of them open so that there is a hot spot and a cooler spot. I was pleasantly surprised with how quickly the coals were ready to cook on. As you can see, they are just freshly lit now. You do want to wait until they are gray before you start cooking on them. At one point, Molasses and Zippy both had to come over and see what the commotion was about. Unlike some other grills that we've tried, these did not stick to the grates. The grates are actually a higher quality than I was expecting. My husband was also expecting them to stick, which is why he originally used the tin foil. Okay. If you're looking for a portable grill to take with you camping or to the beach or tailgating or just about anywhere, I would not hesitate to recommend this one from Charmline.